Hi, my name is Jellybean. I'm an English online teacher. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang kaibahan ng was and were at kailan ba sila dapat gamitin. Madalas nating ginagamit ang was or were sa napakaraming sitwasyon, kaya importante na malaman natin kung kailan ba natin ito pwedeng gamitin kasi marami sa atin nalilito pa rin dito. Sisiguraduhin kong pag natapos mong panoorin ang video na ito ay hindi ka ulit malilito kung kailan mo gagamitin ang was or were. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I have new videos, you'll be notified. Tara at simulan na natin pag-usapan kung kailan ba gagamitin si was and were. Ang was at were ay pareho na nasa past tense, kumbaga nakaraan na. Ginagamit natin si was and were kapag pinag-uusapan ang nakaraan. Pero, ginagamit natin sila sa magkaibang sitwasyon. Importanteng maintindihan natin ng maigi kung kailan at anong sitwasyon ba dapat gamitin si was at anong sitwasyon ba dapat gamitin si were. Unahin natin ang was. Kailan ba ginagamit si was? Ang was ay ginagamit sa first person singular. First person singular, ibig sabihin ito yung I, ako, isa lang naman ako, kaya first person singular. Halimbawa, I was eating ice cream yesterday. Kumain ako ng ice cream kahapon. So, again, ginagamit natin si was kapag ang subject ay first person singular, which is I, ako, I was. Pag I, automatically was na yan siya. Tapos, ginagamit din ang was sa third person singular. Ano ba tong third person singular? Ang mga third persons natin, yung hindi tayo, third person, parang third party lang yan sa relationship. He, she, it, ito yung mga third persons singular. Isa lang naman si he, isa lang si she, isa lang si it, right? Kaya third person singular. Halimbawa, he was eating ice cream yesterday. Kumain siya ng ice cream kahapon. She was eating ice cream yesterday. It was raining yesterday. Umulan kahapon. So, tandaan na kapag ka third person singular, pag he, she, it, was ang gagamitin. Kapag ka ang gusto mong pag-usapan ay naganap na or nangyari na sa nakaraan. Itong were naman, ginagamit siya sa second person, both plural and singular. Halimbawa, you, your, yours. At ginagamit din siya sa first and third person, gaya ng we and they. Kung naguguluhan ka pa din, magbibigay ako ng mas pinasimpleng summary kung kailan gagamitin ang was and were, gamit lang ang singular and plural. Kapag ka singular, ang subject, ito yung mga gagamitin natin. I was, you were, he was, she was, it was. Kapag ka plural naman, ito yung gagamitin natin. We were, you were, they were. Sagutan natin ang mga sentences na ito together at i-rationalize natin ang mga sagot. Sentence number 1. I, walking in the park. Was or were? Ano bang tamang sagot? Ang sagot ay was. Dahil itong si I ay first person singular. Nasabi natin kanina na kapag isa lang ang subject, first person singular, was ang gagamitin. Now, how about this one? You shopping yesterday. Anong dapat gamitin? Was or were? Tandaan, tingnan mo yung subject kasi yan yung magiging clue mo kung ano ang i-answer. So, in this case, you. Si you ay second person singular. So, kapag second person, gagamitin natin ay were. The correct answer is were. You were shopping yesterday. Okay, how about this one? She, at school. So, tingnan natin muli ang subject, she. So, ito yung magiging clue natin again. Anong dapat gamitin? Tama. Was. She was at school is the correct answer. Paano naman kung ganito? They, nowhere to be seen. Ano kaya ang sagot dito? So, tingnan natin titignan mo yung subject, they. So, kapag ka plural, third person, they, ano ang gagamitin? Was or were? Tama ka. Were ang dapat nating gamitin dito. They were nowhere to be seen is the correct answer. Eto, tanong. Naalala niyo ba yung kanta ni Beyonce na If I Were a Boy? If I were a boy, even just for a day. Ano bang tama? If I were or if I was? If I were a boy, if I was a boy. Nakakalito, di ba? Yung sa rules natin na pag I, gagamitin yung was kasi singular lang. So, buti hindi natin sinabihan si Beyonce na mali yung grammar niya. If I was a better cook, I could make him happier. Or, if I were a better cook, I could make him happier. Alin ba sa dalawa ang tama? Nakakalito, di ba? Naririnig natin itong dalawang to sa napakaraming sitwasyon. Kaya nakakalito minsan kung alin ba ang tama o mali. Ang kasagutan dyan ay subjunctive mood. Ano ba ang subjunctive mood? Sa subjunctive mood, ginagamit ito sa mga hypothetical situations or mga situation na imposible na hindi mangyayari kailanman, na hindi siya factual. Okay? The subjunctive mood is isa siyang anyo ng verb or action word na ginagamit sa mga hindi makatotohanang sitwasyon, unreal situations. It is made up of these phrases like I were, he were, she were, it were. Ginagamit natin itong mga phrases na ito kung may gustong-gusto tayo na imposible siyang makamtan or when we are being very wishful about something. So, halimbawa, I wish I weren't so shy. So, ginamit natin si were dito kasi mahiyain ka ngang tao, di ba? Natural yun sa'yo. Kaya, parang hypothetical or hindi factual na hindi ka maging shy kasi naturally, shy ka na tao. If I were taller, I could be a flight attendant. Yun, ginamit ko ang were kasi nga pandak ako naturally. Kahit nalaklakan ko pa ng cherry fur, hindi na ako tatangkad pa. You use were in situations na wishful, hindi siya realistic, and hypothetical siya. Next na example ay Nika spends money as if she were a millionaire. So, bakit were? Nika, diba, singular, isang tao lang siya. Were ang ginamit natin dahil isa siyang unrealistic situation. Hindi naman siya milyonaryo para magastos ng ganyan. So, again, kapag ka unrealistic or hypothetical situations, kahit na singular yung subject, were ang gagamitin natin. I have a trick that I could share to you. Kapag ka nakita mo yung words na if and wish, palatandaan mo na yan, you will be using the subjunctive mood form of the verb. Since si were, ginagamit natin siya sa mga unrealistic situations, si was naman, ginagamit natin siya sa mga realistic na situations. I was swimming yesterday with my friends. When I was younger, I wanted to be a nurse. Your brother was my schoolmate. So as a summary, ginagamit natin ang was kapag ka first and third person singular at nangyari sa past. Tapos was then kapag ka factual situations, makatotohanang situations. Were naman kapag ka first and third person plural. Ginagamit natin ang were sa mga unrealistic or hypothetical situations na tinatawag nating subjunctive mood. At tandaan na pag may nakita kang if and wish, it's a signal already that you will be using a subjunctive mood. If you know anybody that might need this video in understanding when to use was or were, please share this video on your social media, Facebook, Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that this helps you in understanding and comprehending better when to use was or were. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below. I'd be happy to answer your questions. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!